Hi, I'm Dr. Allison Cohn with AC Chiropractic. And our tidbit of the day is some people always wonder what is the noise that you get when you do a chiropractic adjustment, when you hear that, popping or cracking type sounds. So basically all the noises is that everywhere that two joints are combined, there's always fluid in there that helps lubricate the joints and keep everything mobile. That fluid just moves around and releases nitrogen gas. So that's all the noises. It's not bone grinding on bone. There's nothing touching or hitting each other and through there. It's just the release of gases as the fluid moves around. So if you make a lot of noise, you're just a little gassy. Thanks for watching.